Good morning, students. Let me start with the first chapter of algebra. Now, I'm going to write some commonly used words in our daily life. Have you heard of this word sofa set? What comes to your mind when you hear the word sofa set? Yes, you're right. Sofa and chairs around it. The next word, tea set. Yes, you have got the idea. What do we mean by tea set? Teapot and cups and saucers around it. And the third commonly used I am going to write down is jewelry set. What do we mean by the word jewelry set? Chain. It is not just one ornament. It is chain. It is bangles, ring, nose ring, anklet, etc. All these will come in the word jewelry set. So you have seen sofa set does not contain one sofa alone. It contains sofa and all the chairs, a list of objects, collection of objects. Same way tea set and jewelry set. It's just not one object that make up this set. It's a collection of objects which make up the set. So today we are going to study about sets. Now you should watch a video following this, and after that watch the PPT and write down the notes in a 100 pages notebook. Thank you.
Hello students, the video must have cleared your concept of sets. Now watch the following PPT and write down everything in your notebook so that you understand the rule of sets. First, definition of sets. A set is a collection of well-defined objects because means that you are able to say who are the members of this set. Next, naming of a set. A set is named by capital letters of English alphabet. Any letter A, B, C, D, etc. A to Z, any letter you can name it. Third, members or elements of the set. The individual objects of the set are called elements or members of the set. Who are the members of the set of the class 9th standard? You children. Now, here are some set terms and their symbols. Write them down in your notebook and study by heart. I have put the entire chapter symbols. Some of the symbols used here will be used in the latter part of the chapter. But I have included it in this table itself for convenience sake. First term, belongs to. It is represented by this Greek symbol, belongs to. Does not belongs to. If you cancel this belongs to, it becomes does not belongs to. Next, such that. Such that is represented by a vertical line or a colon mark. Next, empty set or null set. It means a set which does not contain any elements. It is represented by this Greek symbol phi or simply by this curly brackets without any member. Next, x is a number between 2 and 5. 2 and 5 are not included. Okay children, which are the numbers between 2 and 5? 3 and 4. So whenever it is 2 and 5 are not included, we have to write it as 2 less than x less than 5. So which are the members which will come in this set which are between 2 and 5 are not included? 3 and 4. Next, x is a number between 2 and 5, but 2 and 5 are included here. So how do you write when 2 is included? Please note that under the less than sign, there is a equal to sign over there. This means 2 is included in the set. 2 less than equal to x, and see your 5, before 5 also there is a less than and there is a equal to sign. So that means 5 is included. So which are the members of this set? 2, 3, 4, 5. Subset. Subset is represented by this symbol. You just study the symbols by heart. Later on, I will teach you about this. Not a subset. You just cancel that subset. It will become a not a subset. Complement of set A. A raised to C or A dash. Universal set is represented by capital U. This is the biggest set in the universal set. Now, number of elements in set A. When you want to count how many elements are there in set A or cardinal of set A, you write n of A. N denotes number and the name of the set you have to write in bracket. Now, just like you have 4 operations in mathematics, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, we also have 2 operations of sets, union and intersection. Union is represented by the symbol U and intersection is shown by U upside down, inverted U. Now let us study the 2 methods of writing a set. The first method is listing method or roster method. In this method, each and every member gets its importance. Next, rule method or set builder form. This is a descriptive method. Let us go to the first one. Listing method or roster method. All elements of the set are enclosed within the curly brackets. Look at you have to write the name of the set first, then you will write equal to sign, then you will open the bracket, curly bracket, and then you will write the members. Now these members are the letters of the word sky, so S-K-Y. Elements are separated by commas. Can you see these commas? Next, never repeat a member of the set. Very important. Example, A is a set of letters in the word Mississippi. Now, which are the letters repeated in this word? I, S and P, but you have to write it only once. A is equal to M, I, S, P. The order of the elements in a set is immaterial. Doesn't matter how you write the elements. A is equal to P, S, I, M, IMSP, MSPI, doesn't matter. You can write the order anyhow. Next method is rule method or set builder form. When you have to write large number members of the set. For example, A is the natural numbers. Okay. So then, in this method, the elements are not listed. We don't list because there are large number of members. We have to assume any letter X is an element of the set and then go ahead and describe what is X. Example, C is a set of vowels in the English alphabet. So in listing method, how you used to write it? C is equal to, and you write A, comma, E, comma, I, comma, O, comma, U. But here, you will represent all A, E, I, O, U as X. And then such that, and describe what is X. X is a vowel of the English alphabet.